like you said.
That one's bigger than that one.
The cocaine.
Oh, okay, yeah, the tires itself.
That's word to the millions that they putting up. I'm trying to do better than good enough. What am I afraid of? This is supposed to be what dreams are made of. But people out here trying to hang with always look at me and say the same shit. You promise me you would never change. You promise me you would never change. Am I wrong for making light of my situation? Clap on with 40 got some shit for me to snap on. Now that I'm on, I don't really want to worry about getting back on. I'm just trying to stay on, get my fucking buffet on. I heard they just moved my grandmother to a nursing home, and I be acting like I don't know how to work a phone. But hit redial, you see that I just called some.
Let me see what the TV look like. Show the TV.
Plus this woman that I mess with unprotected. Texted saying she wish she would've kept it. The one that I'm laying next to just looked over and read it. Man, I couldn't tell you where the fuck my head is. I'm holding on by a thread. It's like I'm high right now, the guy right now. And you can tell by looking in my eyes right now that nothing really comes as a surprise right now. Cause we just having the time of our lives right now. What am I afraid of? This is supposed to be what dreams are made of. But people out had a time to hang with always look at me and say the same shit. You promise me you would never change. Your money. Yeah. I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh yeah, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me.
I'm living right
now.
Hey.
This is what I'ma do till it's over. Till it's over. It's far from over.